Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, it's gonna be a long night because I am going to be doing another twist out. I know I said I would not do another one, but I just have the itch to perfect something that I do not know how to do. So we're going to try once more to do another twist out on my hair now that it's longer. I already told you guys that twisting my hair is very relaxing. I need to go ahead and get started. It is pretty late. What time is it? It's 8:38 p.m. right now, and I need to do these twists so that I can sleep overnight and then take them out. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe the next day, but maybe tomorrow. We'll see. But my hair already has the deep conditioner in it. I think this deep conditioner is really good. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and rinse this out. I just put these two braids in my hair while my deep conditioner was just penetrating. So now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started into the video. Alright you guys, I am back and I've rinsed out this deep conditioner. I don't want my hair to be super wet, of course, because this is a twist out, not a wash and go. So we gotta take all this extra water out of your hair. So I just like to go ahead and take that off. This is my hair without product. As y'all can see, my bangs grew out, but my shape is pretty much here because the shape is done with no product. So it's just nice to like take off that and it still have kind of a shape, but whew, let's get started. So now we got to add some moisture, and I'm gonna go in with the As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my hair. Now that I have some leave-in applied to my hair, as you can see, I just did it all in one because I really didn't want to focus on my roots at all, because I am gonna focus on those as I'm actually twisting my hair. So I just wanted to go ahead and add the leave-in just like all over to my hair. Of course, I would do this in the shower, but since I'm not in the shower, here we go. Now that my hair is all moisturized, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off and get ready for twisting. All right, so now that I have my hair sectioned off in the back, I'm just gonna go ahead and start adding my product. So I'm gonna go in with the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just detangle my hair because I haven't really detangled my hair like that. Now that my hair is detangled and I've sprayed the oil water on my hair to get it nice and shiny, I'm just gonna go ahead and end everything off with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Smoothie. And this is by As I Am as well. And this video isn't sponsored by As I Am, just want to let y'all know that. But I did want to use these products because I love them. So I'm just going to go in with some of this smoothie, rub it into my hands, and then I'm just going to apply it to this entire section. So now I'm just twisting my hair up. Y'all know how to twist y'all hair. Come on now. So I'm just twisting it. As y'all can see, I literally just twist. I try to stay close to the top so that it's nice and tight. I try not to be so loose with it because you want it to be tight. Come all the way down until you get to the end. End it with a coil. And there you go. One twist down. I don't know how many to go, y'all. I don't know how many twists I'm about to do. So I'm on the last two pieces, and I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what I did. So I did them small, not too small, but small enough, child, because it is 10:30. So it about took me like what, 2 hours to do these. So they small enough, sis. They are small enough. I just want to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. I have applied the oil water, which I am obsessed with this stuff. This stuff is so good. I am applying the smoothie. So I've been adding those two products. Then I go in and just detangle with my Denman brush. You guys know the Denman brush is a styling brush, so it'll give you like that nice curl at the end. So when you get to the point where you want to coil in, it's a lot easier. So I've just been really, honestly, y'all, twisting my hair. Like, I'll just go ahead and twist this one in and then go in with this one. And that's how I get mine started. And then I just go on down like a regular twist. But I just do that just to try to make the roots a little bit tighter than they are. But they still ain't like tight. They ain't like they coming stretched out the scalp or nothing like that. I like to take my Denman brush and brush it as I'm going down. Now, I'm not adding additional product just because you can see the white residue. And so I've been trying to take that out because I want my hair to dry super quick. As soon as I finish the twist, then I go ahead and remove some of that residue. Well, try to remove as much of that residue as I can, because if it's white like that, especially because my hair is low porosity, my hair is not going to absorb that moisture that quickly. So I'm just trying to perfect the twist out, girl. I'm trying to perfect them, but you know, who knows? Who knows? I'd like to twist all the way to the ends like that. Do a coil about 2 to 3 times and let it go. And then from there, you want to go ahead and remove some of that excessive product. And then move on to the last one. Now, I'll take the product that I take off the one before it. I just put it on the next twist. And then I just keep going like that. And I add product as needed. But I do not need any more product for the front of my hair, because the front of my hair is definitely a different texture and it doesn't need as much moisture as the back of my hair. But as y'all can see, this stuff got my hair so moisturized. My hair is gliding through the brush and all that. It's just so good. Make sure you have the perfect amount on each side. Go in, and I like to go ahead and make sure the roots are nice and tight. And then go down the length of your hair, making sure that your hands stay close to where your twist is. Whenever you feel like you have tangles, as you guys saw, I had some tangles right there, brushing that through and continuing to twist your hair. As you can see, there are curls like forming at the end. That's what you want to see. You want to see that them curls are coming through. That means your products are nice and moisturized. It's clumping those curls, and you can pray for a good outcome, because honey, you still don't know. I done had so many twist outs that look so good in the twist, but once you take that thing out, So as soon as I get to that end, I like to twirl it around my finger. And as you guys can see, you get a nice coil. And this is my bang, y'all. So I wanted to go ahead and just do a middle part just because of my bang area, because, you know, a bang goes like this. So I wanted my hair to kind of be even, but this ain't even even. We're going to try this middle part, and I'm going to put a scarf on and go to bed. Now that my hair is all done, it looks all nice, shiny, juicy, all that. This don't come out right, throw it away. This don't come out right, I will be angry. I will be very furious. How can you not? Do you see that curl? You see the end of the curl? You see that look good and juicy? You see the roots look nice and juicy? Shrinkage is good. I love my shrinkage because I feel like it's going to give me a nice fro effect. Anyway, I'm hoping it comes out nice and defined and fro-y and whatnot and good. But I'm going to go ahead and add a scarf on my head because I need it. As you can see, there's a lot of flyaways up here. So putting a scarf on before you go to bed is key. So I'm going to go ahead and add this so I can make sure that this top part is flat. So now I just like to pull some of them a little down. So this is going to give me a nice little bit of stretch because I'm making sure my roots are very smooth by pulling down on my twist. So I just like to pull them down as much as I can. As you can see, this is hanging a lot better than this other side. Okay, so we are nice and smooth and my hair looks really, really good. So I'm gonna let these sit in my hair for about probably 2 days so that I can make sure that it's nice and dry. And I'm gonna come to you guys in actually my next video. I'm gonna come to you guys and show you guys the ending result. So make sure you are subscribed. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video when I'm actually taking these bad boys out. Bye. Mwah.